So, we have a couple of songs for you all to listen to. What we would like is lots of clapping and lots of people joining in with the words. So, the first song we're going to do is with the staff band. Please give a round of applause to the staff band, Pascal and Tony. This is a song called Get Lucky. The next people who are invited to the stage is the pupil band. Now I've asked them for their name, and they have come up with some absolutely atrocious names to be embarrassed with, but they've settled with another atrocious name, but the one they're happy with is Suits and Ties. So ladies and gentlemen, Suits and Ties! Okay, so. This next song is slightly different to maybe the way you've heard before. So what we've done is we've rewritten, that sounds really good, doesn't it? But we've rewritten the start of it, and I hope you'll appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Staff Band! The Academy of you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful school.
Thank you. An absolutely appropriate song to end on. And I am going to embarrass him, but I would like to say a massive special thank you. I'm sure you'd like to join with me, because this idea of how to end this term was Mr. Hewson's idea. Let's go to the school. Mr. Hewson! And how Mr. himself, of course, been absolutely amazing. Now, this has been an amazing day. Today again, we've really raised that bar. Been outstanding. Today's been fantastic. Thank you very much. It's been very emotional. Can you continue that amazingness from here out into that summer holiday? Because remember, you represent something very, very special. We all do. We're all part of this Business Academy next week. We're proud of it, and we want everybody to know it. But it only takes one or two individuals to spoil that reputation. Other people grab that really quickly, and they think that represents all of us, but we actually know it doesn't. So let's make sure that we do ourselves proud from now on. There's never any doubt about where we're going and what we stand for as a school. Now, in terms of how we're going to dismiss you, because it is hard, I want to make sure we're everything coordinated. We will start with this group here, and don't know yet, but when I say move, you're going to get up quietly. If you have something in the cloakroom, go that way and come back through the canteen. As soon as they have done that, I will turn this way, and you guys will do exactly the same. You'll go that way, and if necessary, you double back by the canteen. And then you guys, we will do as before, one line at a time. But this time as well, some of you, which is so wonderful, are going to stay and help stack some chairs, because that will really help out. Okay, so